Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's question is count vowel strings in ranges. It is a medium question, but I think it's very similar to the last question that we solved yesterday. So we'll be given an array of strings, words. So basically words here would be a string containing an array containing strings like a, b, a, comma, e, comma, a, b, c, etc. And we will be also given a range of queries which will have two indexes L1 and Li and Ri. So basically queries would be from Li to Ri, and we'll be given a range of these queries, number of queries. So what the question asks us is, we need to find total number of strings in our array words which begin with a vowel and also ends with a vowel. So basically, if we see our above example, ABA is a string that begins with a vowel and also ends with a vowel. EE also is a string that satisfies the condition. ABC, however, doesn't satisfy this condition because it starts with a vowel but it ends with C, which is not a vowel. So if we are given Q as 0 to 2, which is from 0th index to the second index, the count would be 2 because only A, B, A and E, E are the strings which satisfy our condition. So we will be given an array of these queries and also the array of strings which is words. Now let's see how we can solve this. So as I said, it is very similar to our question that we solved yesterday, which was of prefix sum. So the reason we need prefix sum here is because any query which would be from ith index till jth index would take O of n time to solve. And if we are given n queries, our whole processing will take n into O of n, which would go to n square, and this won't be a correct solution because it would give us TLE. So what we can do is, if we store the number of words which are starting and ending with a vowel, if we store the number of words in a prefix array. So let's say our prefix array will have the count of words which starts and ends with vowel up to the ith index. So prefix I would give us number of words which is starting with a vowel and ending with a vowel from 0th to ith index. So let's say our prefix array would be, for array of words which is A, B, A, let's say B, C, E, E, A, X, A, Z, E, and C, D. So if this is our words list or array, then our prefix would be, because this first element satisfies, yes, second is not, third again satisfies, fourth satisfies, and fifth does not. So our prefix array would be 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. So now if our query is from, let's say, second index to fourth index, the fourth index would be the last element, and second index would be this. So what we can say is when j is 4, prefix 4 returns total number of words which start and ends with a vowel from 0th index to 4th index, and prefix 4 here is j and this is I. So prefix I minus 1, which is prefix 1, gives us the count for words starting and ending with a vowel from 0th index to 1th index. So the query 2 to 4 we will get the answer if we subtract prefix I minus 1 from prefix j. So in this case, it would be prefix 4 minus prefix 1. So let's take the first example. Words, the array words is ABA, BCB, ECE, AA, and E. And queries are 0, 2, 1, 4, 1, 1. And the given outputs are 2, 3, 0. So let's solve it with our logic. So we first make a prefix array which will store the count. So ABA is a valid string, BCB is not, ECE is a valid string, AA is a valid string, E is a valid string. So the count would be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Query 0, 2 can be solved by prefix 2 minus prefix 0, minus. So basically this means that no words are taken, so this would be 0, and prefix 2 gives us 0, 1, 2. So prefix 2 is 2, which is indeed our answer. Now let's check for query 1, 4. This is prefix 4 minus prefix 1 minus 1, which is prefix 4 is 4 minus prefix 0 is 1. So this is 3, which is again our answer. And let's check for the final query, which is 1, 1. This would give this would be solved by prefix 1 minus prefix 1 minus 1. So prefix 1 is 1 and prefix 0 is also 1. So this would give us 0, which is also our answer. So this question, even though it's a medium question, but it's very similar to yesterday's question, and we can solve it using prefix sum. So thank you guys, please follow, and let's meet again tomorrow.